IndoorCyclingRepair.com, quality indoor cycling repair service maintenance since 2005. This is a customer service bulletin for consumers and studios on the handlebars, on the idiosyncrasy, I don't know if I said that right, on the stages handlebars. This would be for the SC2 and the SC3. For handlebar towers, handlebar sliders, and the lock levers. Okay, here's the deal. These little Allen screws, especially if you're in a high volume indoor cycling studio, or if you're just an indoor cycling studio that has a few classes a week, this screw, okay, they're not Loctited at the factory, and therefore they come loose, all right? This little a metric Allen wrench set will enable you to tighten it up. But one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to over tighten this too much. Just snug it down very lightly snug, okay? Now, you may have a situation where you've already lost some. Typically they'll fall out from the bottom first, okay? You got 4 on the front, and then you got 4 on the back, all right? So, how I found out about this, the first studio that I was working on the bikes, after a couple months, the Allen screws fell out. Second thing is here on the lock lever, on this lock lever here, okay? See, in this case, I lost 1 screw, but sometimes I've come across where on the handlebar or the seat tower, there was 2 screws missing. One time in one studio, I had about almost 30 screws missing on a total of 50 bikes. So anyway, this is a preventive maintenance tip, okay, for your staff if you're in an indoor cycling studio, or if you're a home user of the Stages indoor bike, just something to look forward to.